Today, I'm challenging myself to create the ultimate crispy cheese balls using chicken and potato. All right, it's like the ultimate snack. And when you add chicken and potato to the mix, it just gets even better to create the perfect crispy cheese balls. We'll need some cooked chicken, mashed potato, grated cheese, and some spices. We'll also need some flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs to help our cheese balls crisp up in the fryer. So there you have it, guys. A simple recipe for crispy cheese balls using chicken and potato. It's the perfect snack for any occasion, and it's so easy to make. If you've got a favorite variation of cheese balls, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you're looking for more quick snack ideas, be sure to check out my other recipes. The cheese is melted and gooey. The potato adds a nice chunkiness, and sriracha enhances it more. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.